Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be basically showing you guys the new colors I added to the website and how I made the lip gloss. If you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching.
Black. This is black. Not black, but
For the flavoring oil, I'll be using pineapple from Get Suckered. I didn't do the lip gloss from scratch because I do it in every video. This lip gloss is already pre-mixed with vitamin E oil, coconut oil, and some other oils. And I'm just going to be adding my color and start mixing. Since I'll be making some 8-ounce jars, I did use a teaspoon measurement, and yeah. This is the polyisobutene in liquid form, and it will make your lip gloss more shiny, and if your lip gloss is too thick, it will make it more liquidy. I use the gel as well. I usually use the gel if my lip gloss is too runny. So it's the total opposite, but they all do the same thing. Now I'm just going to be placing the lip gloss in the 8-ounce jar. These jars are much better than the ones I used to use because it fills it all the way to the top, whereas the other jars, it made it look like the lip gloss wasn't filled to the top. So these ones are better, and I did get these from Amazon as well. I will leave the link down below. So here I'm just weighing the jar. I thought you guys could see it. You kind of can a little bit, but you might not be able to see it. But it will be smarter to do it in the container since the container doesn't really have any weight. So yeah, next time I'm just gonna do it with the container. So I'm gonna weigh the lip gloss base before I start mixing the colors. This way I don't have any leftovers. For this one, I'll be using strawberry banana. It is pink. I do have a lot of pink lip glosses on my website, but this will be the last one, I promise. I will be adding 3 drops of the flavoring oil and start mixing. I'm adding the teaspoon of pigment and then I'm going to start mixing. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.